Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll tell you how to dropship on Amazon from AliExpress. So the very first step that you should do is go on AliExpress and look for trending items with high order counts and great reviews. It could be anything that you could think of, for example, gadgets, accessories, home products, electronic devices, whatever that you want to. But I highly recommend you to avoid branded items because Amazon will ban your account if you sell fake products. Next step is go to Amazon and basically list your product. So upload photos of the item, title, and write clear description of the product. And also in your description, you should highlight benefits of the product, not just features. And when someone places an order on Amazon, you get notified immediately in your Seller Central account with all the details about that order, including product, quantity, and shipping address. And if you do drop shipping, which we basically discuss, you or your supplier is responsible for packing and shipping the product to the customer. And after delivery, the customer can leave a review and rating on your product, which will impact your seller reputation and future sales. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.